Very good morning, class. Today we are going to start reading of chapter number 6 from page number 70, and topic is working with multiple sprites. In the previous class we studied about the process to add a new sprite on the stage. So in class 6th you have also done the chapter of Scratch, and in that class you had learned how to add a new sprite on the stage. We have also done two programs in the last videos in which we had added butterfly one sprite and holly sprite in the motion blocks. So in this topic we will learn how to make a project using more than one sprite. So we are now making a project in which we are using more than one sprite in it. So firstly, open the Scratch window, remove the cat sprite by right clicking on it and selecting the delete option. So firstly, open the Scratch window and then remove the cat sprite, as the cat sprite is the default sprite. So you have to delete it before adding another sprite in the project. So how will you delete it? You will simply delete it by right clicking on it and selecting the delete option. Click on the choose sprite from library button. The sprite library dialog box will open. Choose people from the category section and select the ballerina sprite. Click OK. So next step is to choose a sprite. And how will you choose a sprite? By clicking on choose sprite from library button, and then the sprite library dialog box will open. This is the sprite library dialog box, and from the category section you have to choose the people, and then from people you have to choose which sprite? Ballerina sprite, and then click on OK button. The sprite will be added in your project. Now select the costumes tab. We will notice ballerina A, ballerina B, ballerina C and ballerina D costumes under the ballerina sprites costume list. So next, when you add the sprite in your project, next step is to select the costume tab. In the costume tab you will notice there are different costumes of the ballerina sprite: ballerina A, ballerina B, ballerina C and ballerina D. Then select the ballerina A costume and adjust its position on the stage by dragging it to the desired position. So next step is select the ballerina A costume and then adjust its position. जिस भी position में आप इसको project में stage में display करवाना चाहते हो, simply adjust its position by dragging it to that particular location. Again, select the choose sprite from library button and add Jammy sprite from the people category on the stage. Now we are working on a project in which we are using two sprites. So one sprite we have added, that is ballerina, and next sprite we will choose from same choose sprite from library button. Then sprite library dialog box will open, and select the people from the category section and add the Jammy sprite on the stage. Select the Jammy B sprite from the costume list and place it as shown in the figure 6.10. Then next step is select the Jammy B sprite and place it on the position that is shown in the figure 6.10 here. Ballerina A has been placed in this position and the Jammy B sprite has been placed in this position. Simply select the Jammy B sprite from the costume list and adjust its position on the stage by dragging it to this position. Here in the sprite list, two sprites are displayed as we are using two sprites in a project. So whenever you select any sprite on the stage, it will be displayed in the sprite list in the form of a thumbnail. Select the sprites one by one and start creating the block stack step by step in the scripts area. Create scripts for both the sprites separately as shown in figure 6.11 and 6.12. 12. So next step is to create a script list. Okay, how will you create a script list? Firstly, select the one sprite and then start creating the block stack step by step. This is the script for the boy sprite and this is the script for the ballerina sprite. So here we had when green flag clicks. So when you click green flag on the stage, then the project will be started and you will say Jammy B sprite will say hello. Then he will wait for 3 seconds and then when green flag is clicked, it will wait for 1 second and then he say yes brother for 1 second. He will say hello, then ballerina sprite will reply yes brother and then she will wait 2 seconds and then Jammy B sprite will shift to next costume and say can you demonstrate the exercise which I taught you? Then he will say can you demonstrate the exercise which I taught you for 2 seconds and he will wait for 2 seconds and then she will say sure for 1 second and then she will start demonstrating the exercise one by one using different costumes of ballerina sprite. Costume A, ballerina B, ballerina C and ballerina T. And then it will be repeated. Repeat for 4 times and wait 1 second and then next costume. Then again repeat for second costume and then wait for 1 second and then the next costume and so on till the 4 times. So these set of blocks will be repeated for 4 times as 4 is mentioned here. If here 5, 6 or 8 is mentioned, then this set of block will be executed for that particular set of times. So this is the program in which we are using 2 sprites. Firstly, select the one sprite and then adjust its position and then add the second sprite, adjust its position accordingly on the stage and then separately select each sprite and add the script for it. And then when you click on the green flag, it will start performing on the stage. Let's know more. The repeat block repeats the enclosed script for the specified number of times. So if you are using repeat block in a script area, then it will repeat the enclosed script. जो भी script उसके inside enclosed है उसको वो repeat करेगा for specified number of time. जितना भी आपने number of time वहाँ पे mention किया है, जैसे यहाँ पे देखो 4 लिखा था तो set of blocks will be executed for 4 times. If you have written 8, it will be executed 8 times. Whereas the forever block repeats it in a loop that never ends. So if you are using forever block, then it will repeat the enclosed script in a loop that never ends. So repeat block is used to repeat the enclosed script for a specified number of time. But while using the forever block, the script will repeat it in a loop that never ends. So the enclosed script will be repeated in a loop that never ends. वो continuously play होता जाएगा जब तक आप stop button को play नहीं करोगे. Next is know the fact. Right click on any block and select help. A short description of the block will appear in the help dialog box. So if you want help on any block, then simply right click on that block and then select the help. Then a short description of the block will appear in the help dialog box. For जो block आप select करोगे उसके regarding short description आपको appear हो जाएगी in the help dialog box. There are 21 different inbuilt instruments to choose from the sound block. So if you want to use some instruments or you want to play some instruments in a project, then you can use from the 21 inbuilt instruments. There are 21 inbuilt instruments that can be chosen from the sound block and you can add that particular instruments in your project. Next is again a program in which we are using 2 sprites. Click on the green flag button located on the top of the window and observe the 2 sprites talking to each other. So here when you click on the green flag, then these two sprites will talk with each other on the stage. Next, second project, start a new project. Replace the cat sprite with two new sprites, that is Giga walking and Pico walking. So here delete the cat sprite and insert two new sprites. First is Giga walking and second is Pico walking. This is the Pico and this is the Giga. Add the Urban 2 backdrop from the backdrop library. This is the Urban 2 backdrop. Background is Urban 2 backdrop that is chosen from the backdrop library. Use blocks from the motion and looks block menu and add the script for both the sprites in the script area as shown in the figure. So in this project we are using blocks only from the motion and looks block menu, and then add the script for both the sprite that we had added in this project in the script area. This is the first one, script Giga walking sprites script area, and this is the Pico walking sprites script area. We are using blocks from the motion and looks block menu, and when you click on the green flag, these two will start talking with each other. Firstly, position of the sprite, it's adjusted with the help of go to x and y coordinates block. He will move to this coordinates and then wait for 0.5 seconds and then say hello Pico and for 0.5 seconds and then move 10 steps. After that its costume will be shifted to Giga walk 2 and then wait for 2 seconds, and then this Pico walking, here it is position is also adjusted with the help of go to blocks. Then he will say hello Pico, he will say hi Giga for 0.5 seconds and then move 10 steps and switch to costume Pico walk 2 and then wait for 1 second and then again move 10 seconds. And then he will say, oh, I would have loved to. He will say, firstly he will reply, you know, I am going to a party. He is saying, you know, I am going to a party. Then wait for 0.5 seconds and then again say, do you want to come along? Then he will reply, oh, I would have loved to. मैं आना चाहता हूँ for 0.5 second. Then again its costume shifted to Giga walk 4 and then wait for 1 second. And then move 10 steps and say, but I am going to my tuitions for 0.5 seconds. And then he will wait for 2 seconds. During that wait, he will reply, but I am going to my tuitions. And then again he will say off for 0.5 seconds and move 30 steps. And then again its costume shifted to Pico walk 4. And then he will say, okay, bye for 0.5 seconds. After he is saying that I am going to a tuitions, then he will move to next step and switch to Giga walk 2 and he will say bye. Then he will reply bye bye for 0.5 seconds and then he say move 30 seconds. After saying okay bye, he will move 20 seconds and he will firstly shift it to Giga walk 2 and say bye and wait for 0.5 seconds. So here we are showing the conversation of two sprites that are talking to each other. Firstly, one sprite is asking for another one to come along for a party, but another one is going for a tuition. So he said that I would love to, but I couldn't come as I have to go to my tuition. So their conversation stopped with the help of a bye-bye blocks. He will say okay bye, he will say bye. So you can also create conversation according to your convenience. आप जो यहाँ पे हमने कन्वर्सेशन टाइप किया, आपको इसको कुछ और भी टाइप कर सकते हो. दिस इज ओनली अ एग्जाम्पल शोइंग यू दैट वी कैन आल्सो डिस्प्ले मोर देन वन स्प्राइट इन अ प्रोग्राम and that two sprites will talk to each other according to the blocks that are described in the script area. जो blocks हम script area में describe करेंगे, जो conversation हम उनसे बुलवाना चाहते हैं, वो वही conversation हमें on the stage perform करके दिखाएंगे. Each and everything, their position, their gesture, what they want to say, everything is described with the help of these script area. using the blocks from the different block categories. There are 10 different block categories from which we can choose the block to create a script area.